Are you wondering the best way to optimize your videos so that they rank higher in YouTube and sometimes even in Google search as a result of that? Great. You're in the right spot. In this video, I'm just going to share quickly and easily what we've done to accelerate our software business to the top of YouTube search results for a number of different types of searches using the TubeBuddy system, right? So I'm just going to give you a quick demo. TubeBuddy is super cheap and affordable. It starts at just like a few dollars a month and is really helpful for helping you optimize your videos to rank in YouTube, which if they rank better in YouTube, they get more views and then they raise to the top. So it's a pretty incredible system. So I'm going to show you how to do this even if you have no SEO experience, even if you're just getting started making YouTube videos and figuring out how to optimize them. This tutorial is going to be super simple and straightforward. But first, why does this matter in the first place? Well, YouTube is a search engine, just like Google is a search engine. And when you add information around your video, it's called meta description information. Don't worry about how technical that sounds. That doesn't really matter. It's just all the things that your video has around it. So it has a title, it has a description, it has tags, it has a thumbnail, right? All of those pieces are things that the YouTube's reading to understand about your video besides just the content of your video. And it also is going to look at watch time and number of clicks and things, but there's metadata that you control. And if you optimize that, you're giving your video a great chance to start ranking better and to rank better long-term for exactly what you're trying to rank for. You then can create more exposure for your brand or your website or whatever it is that you're trying to promote. So let's dive right in. I'm going to show you a real example from our Mighty Sites channel. Mighty Sites is our website builder software that we launched last year, and just show you how I optimize the videos using TubeBuddy to create as much exposure as possible. Okay, but before I show you how to optimize, let me just show you what this looks like. So we have a lot of house cleaners that use our platform, which is awesome. So here's the video. It's a pretty simple, straightforward video that has worked really well to just show them how to build a website for their house cleaning business on Mighty Sites. And if I go over here to details, here's the really cool thing about TubeBuddy is you can see that this video ranks number 2, 3, or number 1 for all these tags. So it actually uses the tags that you come up with. It's part of the whole ranking system. And then you'll be able to go into your TubeBuddy or to your YouTube account and see what TubeBuddy assigns as the ranking for each of those tags, right? So it's really great that I can see here that, okay, easy cleaning business website builder, best website builder for cleaning business. My video ranks in YouTube 1, 2, or 3 for all these searches, which is why no wonder we've gained so much traffic for this query, right? You can see it really took off. 73 subscribers, 5,000 watches, 34 in the last 48 hours, which is really great for our small channel promoting our small business website builder. So that's exactly what I'm going to talk about and help you accomplish here today. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to jump over here to TubeBuddy and launch the Keyword Explorer. So once I do that, I'm going to, well, first, let me jump back. Pretty easy to see. But let me jump back. I know that I have get customers for your window cleaning business, right? So this is the video. It's got no meta description, nothing surrounding it. So I'm just going to go over here, launch it, and just say, get customers for window cleaning. Or let's see the other one, how to get window cleaning customers. How to get window cleaning customers. So the other one was 53. Let's see what this one is. That one's 31. So we want to go with the other version. So you just kind of look and it gives you a score, right? You want it, good is fine for me. I could work to get to this, but for the purposes of the video, it's going to tell you about how much search volume there is, how much competition, how well optimized we might be for that. This is unweighted, and then this is weighted by my channel, right? So I think this is a pretty good keyword. And then you can go over here to results, and you can see if you already own any of the results, who are the top ranking channels, and then you kind of see what their videos look like to compare how yours is going to be, you know, when you get in there. So what I'm going to do basically next is I'm going to go over here to summary, and then I'm going to optimize in SEO Studio. So now I know that's the keyword I want to optimize for. So I'm just going to go how to get customers window cleaning. So now I'm going to come up with a catchy title for that. Okay, now what I like to do is I go over to this tool, Monster Insights, and I'll put the link in the description below. But how to get more customers for a window cleaning business. And then I put easy tips, right? And it gives me a grade on my headline, right? So the titles is pretty important and you want it to include the keywords. So I got that. So I'm going to jump back over here now and I'm going to go with that title. So here we go. Let's delete that one. That's the title. So now I've got a really catchy title that will help. And then just go like this and explanation. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to want to include my meta description. I'll show you what I do here. Okay, so now I wrote a description. I just put, in the first line, how to get more customers for my window cleaning business. I included the link to Mighty Sites so somebody can try it free, right? I have the new title, and then I wrote a nice long description with all the target keywords included. Now, over here, it's going to tell me if I'm doing something to not optimize, and I'm just going to adjust that based on TubeBuddy's recommendations. But so far, I'm at a 90%. Then I jump over here and I go to tags. Now, tags help me target the exact keyword. And then as we saw before, I'll know how I rank for those. So I want to include everything that is relevant for my business, window cleaning. And now I'm just going to run through and add a bunch of tags. Okay, so now you can see, you saw the score go up as I typed out the tags, and now I have rank tags for the YouTube video that are going to help this rank and hopefully attract more customers for the software product. So as you can see, I've got all the keywords in here, it's included, and then it's always a good idea to include your name at the end as well, or your business name or your channel name, so it connects that video to other videos that you're using to market your business. So that's included now as well. And then I'm just going to click next. And again, if you're looking for ways to improve your optimization score, those are going to be ranked right here for you as well. So now I just jump over to next, and then you can see how your video compares to the other ones. And this is where you want to have some differentiation with your thumbnail because you want it to be the one that people click on so that you can create the visibility instead of others. So I can see kind of how everyone else has put it. Now, here's the tip that I'll share. It's always nice to put the benefit in here, right? So how to get more customers, that's already kind of talking about the benefit, easy tips. So I'd probably just say easy tips, get customers, right? Just something really simple that's going to catch somebody's eye. So now we're going to design a simple thumbnail in Canva. Okay, great. I just designed a quick thumbnail in Canva. So there we go. So more customers, 7 easy tips, right? How to get more customers for your window cleaning business. So now I've got a title, I've got a thumbnail, I've got a long description, I've got the link to my business. I can see how mine's differentiated too, like kind of want to stand out and have a different look than all the rest of these. So you can see how I've got kind of a different look here for my business. So I'm just going to click next. Now I just click apply to the video, and now I've got the optimization there. Now there's a few more things that I do that are pretty important for the channel success. So now I'm going to click over here. I'm going to click public, done. I'm going to click end screen, and I'm going to add another couple of videos that I encourage them to watch after. That's important because now I want them to watch the video on like how to make a website, right? Then I jump down here and I add it to a playlist. So it's associated with other videos of its type. So I don't have a playlist for this yet. So I'm going to do new playlist and just do how to market a window cleaning business, right? There we go. And then I'm just going to create that playlist, make sure it's added to it. I'm going to jump down here to science and technology. It's not really that. It's more like how to or people in blogs. That part doesn't actually matter that much. And then now I'm going to click save. And there we go. Now my video is published, right? And I could probably even put here, probably just change that to 7 easy tips because I like that a little bit better. And it kind of matches up with here. So now I've got the title, I've got the video published, and you can see it's here and it's published, and that's it. Now I just optimize that. So any person who is looking to how to improve their marketing for their window cleaning business would be a great person who maybe needs a new website to do that. So now I've just kind of marketed Mighty Sites by optimizing that video. That's how you optimize it for YouTube search. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. But again, TubeBuddy is super inexpensive and affordable. I'll drop the link to that below so you can go check it out too. Wishing you the best of luck and stick around because YouTube is not the only place you should be optimizing your content. Check out the next videos as we talk about how to optimize your search presence in general and grow your business. We'll catch you in the next video.